Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your um, account or your domain to your System IO account. So, first off, I opened this article for those who have a copy of their worksheet. I added in here. It's under step 4, connect your domain to your system.io. It's right here. All right. So once you click that, here's the step-by-step instruction that we will follow. I already have my Hostinger account here and my System.io account. So let's proceed. Step number one is you go to your System.io account. You go to System.io account and click setting and then find the custom domain. Let's do that. So I'm here and then we'll go to settings, and then in here let's find the custom domain, this one. As you see here, there's only one domain, and that is the default domain provided by system.io. Now I just need to add my own domain, and that is the step two. In here, as you can see, it's we need to put the full name including the www. So let's do that. So mine is, let's add that and wait. All right, now System.io provided us a C name that we need to add in our DNS record. So what we'll do in this record is we will just copy and add that to our DNS record. Here is the instruction. Let me just scroll down here. Here. So we're gonna add two CNAME, and the first one is just a www, and then we just copy this one. So this I'm gonna show you how it looks like here in our Hostinger. So once you log into your Hostinger account, you go to your domain here, domain portfolio, and then you click the domain that you're gonna add the CNAME record, and then down here you're gonna have the DNS name server, and this is where you're gonna add that CNAME. So we're gonna click in here and find CNAME, and the instruction says add www. That's gonna be the name, so we'll put that in here, and then the target. Oh, give me 1 second. So yeah, hold on. So we're gonna copy this first. We go to our system IO, we copy this, and then we go here, we type in CNAME, and then we have www. I don't know why it's doing that. Then we add that. Mm, Oh, okay. It says DNS resource record is not valid or conflict with another resource record. So that means we have to remove the ones that we have if we already have one already. So right here you can see there's a C name here. So I have to delete this first. So in your record, if you have a what do you call, if you already have a C name in there, you have to delete it first in order to add a new record. So now that is deleted, we're just gonna continue adding the new ones. Let's see if this is going to go through, or we have to refresh it. Nope, we have to refresh it. So type that one again, and add record. Again, this one is here. This one, you just have to copy that and paste it in here. And add the record. See, DNS record created successfully. Now, the next one is another CNAME, but this time we're just gonna have the first um, this record, but we're not gonna include the domain until the .com, just the first part. All right, and then we copy the whole thing again for the value. Let's do that. So we're gonna go back again to our system. Oh, sorry, system IO, and then we're just gonna copy here. You see that until the period. We're not gonna include the period or the dot. So we're just gonna copy that, and we're gonna go here again to our DNS record, and then the name. Paste that in, and we copy this whole thing right here and paste that and then add record. All right, so once you finish adding all your CNAME records in your DNS record, then you just have to wait for it to properly propagate in the system. Usually it will take 24 hours or so, but if your validation is successful, then you'll see that it's going to be this ready to use word or status will be here. Then you can just select that. If not, you will see more instruction from system.io, and it will let you know if there are other things that you need to do. And that's it.